welcome to Potters. We've just arrived at our bungalow. We'll give you the grand tour when we get back, but first of all, drinks required. That's us back at our bungalow now. So the drinks were super easy to order. You just show them the little wristbands that you get given on check-in, and all your drinks are just included in your package. So we'll show you around. So as you come in the door here, we've got this area here with our little kettle. We've also got our fridge underneath here and our seating area there. We've got a big comfortable bed, a little TV, and we've got a little makeup area here as well through this way. So this is our bathroom here. Everything you need. We've got toilet, sink, and we've got a bath shower here as well. We've also got plenty of towels here, and they come with some complimentary toiletries as well. And I think that's about it, so we'll get ready for dinner. Let's go to dinner.
The menu changes every day. For starters, I got the deep fried mushrooms and Abby got the leek and potato soup. For mains, Abby got the pasta ratatouille, whilst I got the feta and spinach tart. And for the best part, we got sticky toffee pudding and a caramel cheesecake.
So we happen to be here during the World Bowls Championships, so we've got the drinks in and the game on.
After dinner, we headed to the theatre for the evening show. There's a different show each night, and tonight it was the British Tribute Show. We then grabbed a late night snack before relaxing in the bar with a local singer.
And we're back. See you this morning. Good morning. It's 7:45. We're just up and we're gonna go check out the gym and fitness facilities before breakfast. It looks so different in the daytime. You can see the sea over there. There's a kids' play park.
The gym is really well equipped with everything you need for a good workout, although it was a little bit difficult to get up this morning. Workout done, time for breakfast. The buffet breakfast has everything you need to start your day right.
We're just back, full from breakfast, and we're having a look. You get an activity programme with everything that's happening over your break. So we're just having a look to plan out our day for today, and I think we will head to archery first. Time to eat again.
For starters, we both got the winter vegetable soup. For mains, I had the spaghetti bolognese, whilst Abby helped herself to the buffet. Then for another dessert, we got the profiteroles and a lemon meringue pie. Food is really good. Heading back to the shooting range. You're gonna get smoked!
So for afternoon activity, we're doing air rifles.
I'm gonna win!
Air rifle champion, got the medal to prove it. A target, 45 out of 50. What'd you get, Glenn?
That doesn't work. Raging! I was supposed to win! 38. Oh. Damn it. Quick outfit change, ready for another dinner?
Getting ready for our last dinner here at Potters.
So yeah, time's gone by really fast.
Yeah.
Back for more food. We both got the caprese salad to start. For mains, I had a beetroot tart, whilst Abby had the vegetable goulash. And for my favourite course, we got a key lime pie and a red velvet cake. Back to the theatre for another show tonight. This time, it was the old school musical theme. We then had another late night snack snack before heading to the lounge to see another local singer.
Good night.
Now we know our way around a little bit better, we'll show you around.
So there's the tennis courts which are free to use, mini golf. There's also a children's play over here, the football pitch behind, and then carry on over to the beach. We found the Insta sign. And sadly, time to check out.